Hello guys and welcome back in another video. So in today's video I will show you how to clean in between the doors right here. Okay guys, so what will you need? You will need a microfiber cloth, then you will need a hard brush and a soft brush as well, and you will also need a sprayer with your cleaner in it. Okay guys, so we will start by folding our microfiber towel into the half and then again into the half. So then we will take our spray bottle with the cleaner in it and we will spray in between doors. And then we follow with the soft brush. You shouldn't use a very hard brush on paint, so just be careful on this. So use medium. This is medium hard brush, it won't scratch the paint. And but I would rather honestly use just the soft brush. So I will be using just the soft brush instead. So grab your soft brush and start brushing. When you are happy with the results, grab your microfiber towel, choose the side of it, and then just wipe everything down. Okay, so we've cleaned one side and then we can move on to the other side as well. So for the door cleaning, I will be cleaning all of this plastic right here and also all around right here, all of that paint. So for this, I will be again using two different brushes. I will be using two different SPTA brushes in particular. This one will be more for plastics and this one will be more for paint. And I am also using a Sonax Cockpit Star. It's a cockpit cleaner, but it works great also for all the interior stuff. And I'm also grabbing a fresh microfiber cloth as well. So I like to firstly start with the outside of the door. That means all of this stuff right here, and then move on to the plastics. So we firstly spray a cleaner into the brush and we start brushing. Once we brushed everything, we can wipe it down with the microfiber cloth. Okay guys, around the door for me now looks pretty much okay, and we will now move on to the plastics. So like I said before, we grab a different brush and we start brushing this. Now one tip that I got for you guys here is that if the plastics do not need a brush, don't brush it. These plastics are pretty dirty, they have some pretty rough stains here, so I really want to get into those kind of crevices and get it out with this brush. Now if your plastics are less dirty than this, just grab your interior cleaner and spray it into the towel and then just wipe it off. So but I really want to get into these crevices, so this is why I will be using a brush. So guys, as you see, this cleaner foams great, and I really wanted to get into those crevices like I said before, and you can really feel it. Just grabbing all that dirt and kind of pulling it out. Now Another tip that I got for you, don't let the cleaner dry up. You have to wipe it when it's like a foam, and yeah. So yeah guys, I hope that on the video is kind of clear where the difference is, but here when I brush it's much more shinier. If you have some piano black paint, like here, don't go with this brush on the paint because you will scratch it up. So for this piano black kind of finish, just spray some product on a microfiber, a little bit, and then just wipe the whole thing down. So yeah guys, and we are finished with the whole door. Now you just repeat this process 4 times and you have your doors cleaned. If you like the video, please share it, subscribe it and like it, it helped me a lot. And yeah guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye!